So here's what I'm going to show you. So what you can see on the screen right now is that Tom's profile photo is over to the left, and it used to be centered. That's the way the style used to be. And that's why there's this big gap in the banner image on the background, because it used to be in the middle, but now it's covering information and things that was there before. So we definitely want to update it. So the first two things on our list is to update these visual items because they're the things that people see when they come by. Think of the banner as the sign for your business, your brand. It doesn't need to have your name in it. It doesn't need to have your show name in it if your show name isn't predominantly below it. And Tom's isn't. It's Monetize Brandcasters Inc. is the company below it. So his show does need to be in there. So Feed Your Brand, the show that you're listening to right now, needs to be up there and needs to be seen. So I'm going to do a quick little update here because I've got them all saved on my desktop, and I'm just going to do a quick little update to the background photo. All you do is you click on it, you go and change photo. The size is really important, and it's all in our guide already, but the size is 1584 by 396. I'm going to actually drop in a photo because I didn't have one that was sized perfectly for this, but I have one that works. So if you take your YouTube banner and you're using the usable area, see, there should be space right here for his head. Like it looks like it would perfect. You can zoom it, you can straighten it, you can do what you want. We're going to hit apply. There's a key factor here. Whenever you do this, it's not going to show up here. You have to refresh. So give it a moment. Right. And so then you go and look at it and you go, oh, well, maybe it's cutting off the P. Maybe I'd like to shift it over to the right. You play with it till you get it where you want it. I am also, if you want to change your profile image, and I'm going to do this because I don't like the white background here. I think it's a little stark for you and you're not really smiling. And you should be smiling in this photo. Add photo. There we go. Upload. So you can take a picture right there. You want to take up about 60% of the image. Like your face needs to be about 60% of the image. And so I'm going to use this one because you're smiling and see how nice this is. So, and I think the color is going to work better with the background. Now we can go shift it out tomorrow and pick a different image. It's not going to matter, right? You can make these adjustments at all times. But I think that looks a little better. You look friendlier. You look like somebody I'd want to talk to. You've got your glasses on because I hate it when you don't have your glasses in the photo. I actually think it doesn't look like you. But that's just me. So anyway, so we've got this going on here. You could put whatever you want up here. I wanted to make sure Podetize is front and center. I want to make sure we have Podcasters United. You don't need my photo up here. When I go to do the final on this one, I'll have them put the Feed Your Brand logo here instead of us because you're already here. You don't need to be seen again, right? So that's kind of the way to do it. So those are the first two items you want to do. Fix your banner image and fix your photo because most people don't read stuff but they look at it, right? Two very important things. The other thing is just make sure this all looks professional to the brand imagery that you're trying to convey.